Hi friend, in this video we will study or see the rate of reaction for the reaction which has the equivalent stoichiometric value and the rate of reaction, how to write the rate of reaction which do not possess the equivalent stoichiometric value. Consider a reaction liquid, that is mercury liquid, combines with the chlorine gas to form the mercury chloride, that is HgCl2 gas. Now here this is reactant and product that all are in the stoichiometric ratio, means the stoichiometric coefficient is 1 for all the reactant and product. So for such type of reaction, this rate of reaction can be written as, that is rate equal to minus concentration of, change in concentration of the reactant mercury divided by dt. It is equivalent to the minus concentration of the chlorine gas divided by this dt equal to the concentration of formation of HgCl2 divided by dt. But if the reaction is not in the stoichiometric ratio, that is second reaction we will consider, for example decomposition of hydrogen iodide gas. When it decomposes, there is formation of the hydrogen gas and the iodine gas. In this reaction, this is not, reactant and product are not in stoichiometric ratio. Here you see the stoichiometric coefficient of reactant is 2, while the product, that is 1. So for such type of reaction, we can write the rate of reaction in such a way that the rate of disappearance of reactant divided by its stoichiometric value, which is equal to the rate of formation of the product divided by its stoichiometric value. You can see here, since here decomposition of the hydrogen iodide takes place, that's why minus dHi divided by dt. Now stoichiometric coefficient should be divided, that's why 1 by 2, which is equal to formation of the product hydrogen. So rate of formation of the product, that is hydrogen, dH2 by dt, which is equal to di2 by dt. This is what, how to write the rate equation, or this is also called as differential rate equation. Why it is called as differential rate equation? Because this rate of reaction is expressed in the form of differential equation, d by dt, rate of change of particular function, here concentration with respect to time, and that's why this is called as differential rate equation. Another example we can take, which is Haber process, formation of ammonia. For example, nitrogen gas when reacts with hydrogen gas produce ammonia gas, that is NH3 gas. Now this is not the balance equation, how we can balance here 2 and this one, then 3 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen molecule combines with 3 hydrogen molecule and then formation of 2 ammonia molecule takes place. So here rate of such type of reaction can be written as rate of reaction minus of change in concentration of nitrogen gas with respect to time, that is minus dN2 by dt, which is equal to minus of dH2 by dt. But here since stoichiometric coefficient is 3, therefore this equation should be divided by 3, and here 1 by 3 into dH2 by dt, which is equal to dNH3 by dt. But here 2 moles of ammonia formed, stoichiometric coefficient is 2, and that's why it is 1 by 2.